Hi, Sean, KVS Travel. We're in the iconic suite on the brand new Celebrity Edge. That's up on deck 12. What was it, 12? Is this deck 12? So you come in, you got a beautiful dining room. There's a butler's pantry area over here. We'll give you kind of a fast tour, but this is where your butler will come in here. This room comes, of course, with the butler. So this is where he's going to prepare things, drinks, and different things for you. You can have dinner. He's going to come through there. You can have dinner. We're on changeover day, so they're all cleaning the room up. Dining room. Here's the big living room. It's like an 80-inch to flat screen TV in the living room. Hardwood floors with the carpet. Grays. Very soothing. Got this great hanging swing here. I mean, pretty cool. And you got the master bedroom. Check this size out. What do you think about waking up to this every day? This is not a cheap room. So it's about $20K per person per night for a week cruise. Right in that area. Of course, we'll get you the best price, best service, and might even be able to do a little something nice for you as well. Sleeps up to 8. Go into the master bathroom. So master bathroom, double French doors, sink on either side, his and hers, or his and his, or hers and hers, whatever. Large walk-in shower, marble, and look at this jetted tub. That's a tub. I mean, it must be 50 jets in there. This is the water room with a bidet. And then let's go over. There's another bedroom that's attached onto this iconic suite. And there's storage. All these walls is all storage, opens up. You save everything in there. Just give you an overview. I know these guys are hustling to try to switch over for the next cruise, and we're getting out of here today.
This is the Royal Suite, sir.
A Royal Suite's connected to that.
Oh, nice.
Okay. So then over here, you come over here. A full bath, toilet, shower, walk-in shower, big sink. They have different products than the other suites, so they have an even, but they're still maybe. All right, so bathroom, and then over here some more storage. This goes over to your second bedroom. King size bed, nice TV. Beautiful, nice light. I mean, very, very well done. I'm gonna keep this video flowing because I know the time, and I'm trying to get into the villa suite as well. So we'll see if we can do that. Here, this connects into a royal suite that expands. So this would sleep like 6 people. This will switch it. You can add on a royal suite, so it'll sleep up to 8 people. So that's it. The royal suite is big. That's got a table. I have a video of that. It's got a table and all kinds of stuff as well. So it's like a whole nother suite connected. Let's finish off. I'm gonna have Matt just give a quick sweeping view of your outside area, your patio that comes with this room. So they're cleaning it. Basically, you're above the fly bridge. You have that whole fly bridge area. Molly bed. Tons of seating, tons of area to entertain. There's 2 of these on the ship. And you call us, we can book it for you. And you get our service. You get our the best possible rate. We get everything and more, plus like I said, you get our concierge service. So Sean, KVS Travel, 610-334-1917. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And we are traveling, so make sure you call me and book your iconic suite or your suite experience. The retreat is worth it. This is a beautiful ship the way they have the suites laid out. kvstravel.com. Thank you.